Welcome to CBS, Canvas by Srinivas. Today let's design this photo manipulation using Canva. Open canva.com, click on create and open card square resolution. Go to upload and select the leaf image and drag out to set as a background. Now go to elements, search for buildings, and select these buildings. Change all the building colors to black. Now adjust the buildings on the upper half of leaf like this. And click on BG remover. Now select the leaf image and crop it from the top to half of the leaf. And now select the leaf image and click on edit and go to duotone and click on custom and change the highlights colors to black. Now download the image. Now remove all the elements and drag the uploaded image and also original leaf image. Now this is the important and easy step. Go to apps and search for blend image. And select this image as a top layer and the other image as the bottom layer, and click on drop down and select screen as the blend mode. That's it. Check out this final result. If you like this design, please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more interesting videos like these. Thank you so much.